Honorable Sri Vaiko.
One simple question, $1 million question.
Yes.
The Prime Minister of India is the custodian of 140 crore people.
Yes.
What business he has got in other countries?
Yes.
Whenever we ask, he is in this country, that
Please,
country.
you cannot
He is
comment
the
on Honorable
Prime
Prime Minister.
Minister
This will
for
not go.
all countries.
It's a constitutional.
Why he did
Yes,
not go to
constitutional.
Manipur?
No, please.
Why he did not go to Manipur? He failed in his duty as a Prime Minister. Nobody will do that.
And he can-
He is going every country after country,
Yes.
but not Manipur.
No comment
Manipur
on
is
his
not in
minutes,
India.
sir. It will not go on the record. Please.
Why, sir? What is unparliamentary?
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री के विदेश यात्रा पर आप कुछ
Sir.
नहीं कर सकते. You speak on
The same time.
एक प्रधानमंत्री जब बाहर घूम रहा हो तो देश की आंतरिक समस्याओं का भी ध्यान नहीं रख सकता, तो फिर उसे चुनने वाली जनता उसे पिकनिक मिनिस्टर क्यों नहीं कह सकती?
Mr. Prime Minister means PM. Our Prime Minister means picnic minister. He is, yes, he is touring all the
no
country.
comments on.
He is touring all the country.
You know he's on the constitutional post. He cannot comment.
A prime minister can't even take care of internal problems of the nation while he is roaming outside. So why can't the people who elected him call him a picnic minister?
I have already said it. I will repeat it.
Please,
I am
no.
not bothered about you.
No, please,
I have
please.
seen so many people like
Please
you.
speak on the subject.
So many.
No,
Hundreds and
no,
hundreds.
please speak on the subject.
I am not
Let me go on the record
bothered.
only.
I speak
Please.
from my heart. I am Vaiko. You want to be who are you?
Please, you
I
are
am
losing your
Vaiko.
time.
I am a product of Anna movement.
Please.
I am a product of
Speak, you are losing your time. You are losing your time. You are losing your time.
Sir, you should be liberal. When all
I have to speak to the time. Please, please. You speak.
order, please.
No, no. I'm order. You take your seat. You take your seat. आप जानते हैं मिस्टर जॉन पीटरसन नो प्लीज टेक योर सीट प्लीज टेक योर सीट प्लीज टेक यू स्पीक अदरवाइज आई विल प्रोसीड
எங்கள் வாழ்வும் எங்கள் வளமும் மங்காத தமிழன்று சங்கே முழங்கி எப்பக்கம் வந்து புகுந்து விடும் இந்தி எத்தனை பட்டாளம் கூட்டி வரும் கண்ணை கிளிபட நேரும் கட்டாய இந்தியை வெட்டி புதைப்போம் This was our war song in anti-Hindi agitation.
Your time
Going
is
on
over.
for 80 years. 80
Your
years.
time is
Now,
over.
sir, now
Please control.
in Allahabad, some 3 months back, a conference was done by Hindu Mahasabha and Bajrang Dal and Hindutva forces, a conference.
speak on the subject please
This is a
speak on the
subject.
subject please
Appropriation bill, you can speak anything under the sun. I got, yes, I have got the experience of 24 years in the
your
parliament.
time is over yes
I
you are
know,
very experienced
Mr.
I know
Chairman, you may not know the rules and the convention.
you know the rules per time your
Appropriation
Your
bill,
time is
you can
over.
speak anything under the sun.
Your time
Now,
is over.
In the new education policy, that should be thrown into the dustbin.
your time is over
No.
I will call the
No,
next
no.
person I am requesting
New
you
education policy, we are opposed. Our Dravidian model government run by Mr. Stalin, our leader, we have organized a
Your time is over. I am calling
the
another person.
states.
Please.
They have not agreed.
conclude,
New
otherwise I am
policy.
calling another person.
Hindi
Please.
and Sanskrit. I have
Sri
found a
Maharaja
copy of the
Sanja
constitution
Ovalesamba.
of the public.
लीडर ऑफ द हाउस वांट्स टू स्पीक प्लीज माननीय लीडर आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जा रही है यू प्लीज टेक योर सीट यू हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन मोर टाइम सर यू हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन मोर टाइम प्लीज माननीय लीडर ऑफ द हाउस